Hey, I'm John, and in this video I'm showing you how important it is to create a consistent edge. Areas where the line should be straighter, I push down on the tool like this. The tool I'm using is a brass concrete edger, and it's basically used to close up the edge to create a decorative and stronger finish for the concrete. Alright guys, so before I use this tool, I'll usually rinse it off with water, and then when I'm done, I'll also rinse it off so that the concrete doesn't harden up on it. So pushing too hard on one side will leave a non-flat surface, as you can see here. So here I'm also showing you another angle that's incorrect. This is not the correct way to use a concrete edger. Keeping the edger nice and flat with a surface provides a flat, firm product. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm also looking for requests. If you have any ideas, feel free to leave a comment below. Also, if you guys like concrete and you want to see more of it, please subscribe, comment, and share. Thanks for watching, and if you live in the Waterloo region, Kitchener-Waterloo, Guelph area, check out theartofconcrete.ca. Thanks for watching.